guys! Welcome and welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. I'm Angelica Delar. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button beside it for you to be notified if I have another video. So for today's video guys, as you've seen the title down below, as you read the title down below, yes, that's our main content. But before we're going to proceed, the main content, I'm happy to introduce you to my new necklace, guys. Here. It's really sparkling, it's really cute, it's really chic, and it's really minimalist and aesthetic, guys. Yes, here, my new necklace, and the design is really cute. And here, this one, it's really thin, that it's really suitable to our girls, no? And there is also for men, and it's also for women. So now, if you really want to try this one, if you really want to buy this one, so if you're interested, please visit down below, the description down below, because there is a link about this jewelry. Yes, click and yes, visit the shop. And if you buy this one, if you want to have it cheapest price, use my code, all caps lock, guys, Angelica D Tan. Angelica D Tan. Okay? So now, please, again and again, please visit and click the link in the description box below. Their jewelry, guys, is really nice and really cute, guys. I'm done introducing you my necklace, my code, the link down below, so in the description box. So here, today, this is our main content, which is the Careline skin hair set, guys. Here, so this is from Careline, and the name of the product is Skin Hair Set, and this is made of Korea. So if you're like, if you love Korea that much, if you really love your K-pop idols, Korean actors, Korean actresses, and if you really love to use their this made of Korea, the skin hair set, you can use this one as your products para mag-glow up ka, ganun. So here, there are 4 products here in the box. So the packaging is, as you can see, it's really cute. It's really aesthetic kasi they use colors that can attract to our eyes. And this color is like a rainbow kasi iba-iba yung kulay, no? From orange or like peach until the green here, no? So the price is, ilalagay ko siya. Prices and the packaging, guys, is nagtugma sila. The prices is really affordable and the packaging is really worth it, and the products sa prices. So if you really want to buy this one, if you're really curious and if you really want to try this one, you can buy sa Watsons, to any drugstores or sa malls. And if you want to stay at home while buying this one, you can order this one sa Shopee or sa Lazada. You can check the link down below sa description box. So now, since I'm done introducing you the name of the products, the packaging, the prices, so I will introduce you the formula or sa ingredients na ginagamit nila. So there are 4 products: the cleanser, toner, the for nourishment, and the moisturizer. This is a skin saver, guys, kasi it's formulated with AHA, BHA, PHA, and niacinamide. It can improve skin tone and texture. So I will introduce you by one by one. So the AHA is the alpha hydroxy acid. This is from fruits and the plants, and it can remove or get away the dead skin sa ating faces. The BHA is the beta hydroxy acid that can remove acne, pimples, then skin like skin damages or sun damages. The BHA guys is watery soluble acids. So next naman is the PHA. The PHA is a polyhydroxy acid that can hydrate, moisturize, and can get away also mga oiliness, ganun sa ating face. So next naman is the niacinamide. This ingredients can remove oiliness, mga excess oils, blackheads, whiteheads, and also can smaller our pores. Yeah, so that's the 4 formula or like ingredients na ginagamit nila sa skin hair set. So next is i-share ko din kung ano yung benefits nila dito sa each product. So ipapakita ko muna yung cleanser, this one. This is their cleanser guys, Captain Cleanser. So yung benefits niya is it rinse away impurities, oiliness, and makeup with this mild cleanser that deeply cleanses and refines while leaving the skin soft and smooth. So it's really true that it can soften and smoothen my face, and it's really true again that this cleanser can really deeply cleanse my face. Pagkatapos kong mag-wash nito guys using this Captain Cleanser, nag-whiten yung face ko. Yes, parang nag-lighten siya, ganun. So next naman is the fighting toner, which is this one. Each product guys, iba-iba yung kulay para parang hindi siya malito, ganun. So the benefits of this toner is it can knock out blackheads, whiteheads, dead skin cells, and impurities with this anti-acne toner designed to help clear blemishes and unclog pores and reduce excess oil. If you're bothering with your oily sa face nyo, like meron kayong mga blackheads, whiteheads, grabe, use this one guys kasi it can remove it. It's really true guys that this fighting toner can really remove the blackheads, whiteheads, the excess oil or like sa oiliness natin, sa face natin, it can remove. It's really true kasi meron akong mga blackheads dito at now, it's been a week that I'm using this one. Nagkunti na lang talaga sila. Yes, kasi pag malapit na yung dalaw ko, marami yung mga pimples ko at yung mga whiteheads and blackheads. So yes, it's really true that it can remove blackheads, whiteheads, ganun. So next naman is the serum. The serum guys is meron talaga mostly is niacinamide. Yes, as I've like parang yun lang ang nalalaman ko, ganun. So next is the super serum. Save your skin with this lightweight serum that brightens and soothes irritated skin, lightens pigmentation, and improves skin texture while fighting inflammation. So itong serum guys, it can lighten the dark spots, mga pimple marks, ganun. Nakaka-lighten siya at nakaka-brighten siya. Next guys is the Itong Wonder Moisturizer, okay? So the Wonder Moisturizer, yung benefits niya is can banish dryness and redness by gently hydrating the skin with this comedogenic moisturizer designed to calm troubled skin. So if dry ka or like if you have dry skin, kinokontrol din niya. So it can balance your skin sa face. So this is really suitable to the all skin types guys, and mostly the teenager or like takot mag-rejuvenate kasi baka kung mapaano, ganon, or ma-irritation or ma-irritate yung skin mo sa skin natin, ganon. If you want to glow up, if you want to have a glowy skin, at takot ka mag-rejuvenate guys, you can use this one kasi this is really mild lang at it's really suitable for mga teenagers, kahit sa mga kahit kaedad ko or mas matanda sa akin, it's really suitable. Mild lang kasi to, hindi siya nakaka-irritate. I've been using this for a week guys. Wala akong irritation na nafe-feel, redness, yung mga pimples ko, nag-heal din siya. Yung mga blackheads ko, kumunti na lang din siya. 1 week lang guys, 3 days, yung yung pimples ko dito is nag-heal na siya, nag-dry siya. So guys, this product is all alcohol-free, paraben-free, and cruelty-free. So, wala kang, parang hindi ka ma-worry sa mga products na to kasi they really use free ingredients at hindi sila gumagamit ng mga animals for testing, ganun. So, I have a dry skin, guys, but nung ginamit ko siya, hindi talaga siya, diba, pag dry, makikita talagang dry yung skin mo, pero while I'm using this one, hindi siya nagda-dry, kundi nag-glow siya, tapos nag-lighten and nag-brighten yung skin ko. Tapos yung medyo black dito, meron pa siya, pero kasi pag meron akong pimples dito, nagka-dark spot siya. Since I'm using this one, guys, kumunti na lang siya. Unti-unti siyang nag-fade. What I really love this product, guys, is wala talaga siyang, mild lang siya, tapos walang mga side effect, guys. Super ganda niya. Pang teenager talaga tong product na to. Hindi siya masakit sa balat, guys. Parang wala lang siya. Pero, yung effect niya, grabe talaga. Yes. So, Careline is really nice na product, you know. Kasi, it's, marami na akong mga products na galing sa kanila na ginagamit ko talaga. Like, lip tint, lipstick, or mga foundation, gunner, or blush on. They really use product that's really suitable for us. Mga mild lang talaga yung ginagamit nila, ganon, na mga ingredients, like mga formula, ganon, na hindi talaga ma-irritate yung skin natin unless meron ka talagang problema sa skin mo or meron ka talagang allergies, ganon, no? So, yes, they're really consistent in their products. Kahit anong mga products nila, hindi lang sa skincare, ganon. This is my before. This is my first day of using this Careline skin. Ito, Careline skin set. And I'm done using the cleanser. And this one is the fighting toner. Ayan. So, today, this is my first day, guys, sa September 25. Ayan. 25. Okay? So, let's try this one. This is my first time. This is the last part. This one. So, this is a Wonder Moisturizer. Ayan, this one. Ayan, oh. Yung hindi pa ako nag-use ng Careline Skin Hair Set, ito. Malaki siyang improvement. Then, after 3 days ko kasing nagamit to is nawala, nag-fade yung like nagda-dry na yung pimples ko dito, tapos dito at dito. All-in-one siya. Yes, they're using for whitening, brightening, para mawala yung mga skin, mga dead skin, mga blackheads, whiteheads. Overall, meron na silang mga formula ingredients para sa mga problems natin sa mukha. So, I think this is best for us. Yeah. So, now guys, before I will exit this video, please, again and again, if you really love this necklace, if you really want to buy this one, to check this one, or you can visit the store, or you're curious about this necklace, please check this link sa description box and use my code AngelicaD10. That's all caps lock, guys. All caps lock. So, please visit and check the link again and again. Please, thank you so much. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much.